What is up, YouTube? It's the Hitman here. Stopped by the hobby shop to pick up some supplies, some bags, some magnetics, the cart protect top loaders, and a box of the Bowman 2013. Just the regular, not the jumbo. Let's see what we can get out of this box. Let's get cracking. That's the right side, that's the left side. Can't make that out. Alright, see if it stands out. Right side. Uh-oh, left side is falling down everywhere. So let's get a crack in, see what we get. I'm not going to cut everything out. Jason Todd Frazier, prospect. Hansel Robles, prospect. Bruce Rendon, gold. Get a gold card in every pack. Zach Quartz, Melky Cabrera, the flag card. My chrome cards are Yalki Calderon, Erpson Leniorna, and Carlos Reese, and Kyle Loesch. I don't remember what side I pulled that from, but here we go. Got a Mark Sacturo. That's that. Altuve, Aroldis Chapman. Got a Max White is the prospect. Danny Salazar, prospect. Michael Young, gold for the PC. Top 100, David DeHall. The top 100. A nice card there. My chrome of Ronnie Rodriguez, prospect. Kennedy Morales and Sam Haddad. I can't say his last name. My dog's just messing with the DVD player. I mean a DVD case. Brian McCain. Michael Bourne, the prospect of Christian Villanueva, Lenny Linsky, prospect, gold of Jim Johnson, gold, silver ice, Sam Selman, correct ice, prospect chrome of Alfonso Escobar Maldonado, Chrome prospect of KC Stevenson, Mark Reynolds, and Jay Bruce. Got a Ryan Howard, a Steven Strasburg. That right there. And a York Calderon prospect. Cody Buckles prospect for the PC. Alex Rios Gold. A Mini Refractor of Albert Amore. Chrome prospect of Matt Wilser. Ryan Braun, James Shield, and Chris Madeline. Salvador Perez, Josh Hamilton for the PC. Prospect of Dawson Herrera. Shane Boyles prospect. Cliff Lee Gold. Corey Dickinson prospect. The Flags. Chrome of Ismael Gillian prospect. Chrome of Brandon Maurer prospect. LJ Hoyles rookie. And Tom Singani rookie. Got a Mike Morris, a John Neese, a Jimmy Callahan prospect, a Mitch Ney prospect, gold of Dylan Bundy, prospect card, chrome of Tanner Rahai, can you say his last name, chrome prospect, Lucas Galdalto, chrome prospect, rookie of, can't even say his last name, so it's a rookie, and a Mike Minor base. Let's see what we got. Bryce Harper base. Anthony Goose base. Oh, sorry. I don't even know I'm showing you the base. Jose Cenero prospect base. A Edwin Diaz prospect. A Robinson Anario gold. A Tanner Rahan prospect. A chrome prospect of Mitch Johnson. A William Carvaz chrome prospect. BJ Upton and John Lester. Alrighty, we got the Adrian Beltre, Matt Kemp, Paul Goldschmidt, Dan Phillips prospect, Jaman Chashi prospect, Banner Rivera gold, number 19 of top 100, Jameson Talon, Christian Bathacourt, Chrome Prospect. And we got a Dwayne Bannon and Zach Court. Oh. Uh-oh. I guess this pack didn't want to get open. I'm gonna pick it up a little bit faster. I'll just say what, if there's anything that's decent in here, I'll tell you what I got. Paul, the prospects. I'll show you the prospects. Prospect. A gold of Nick Swisher. A Joey Votto. A Joey Votto reprint. Nice looking card. A Chrome Prospect. Michael Young. Oh, don't know why I'm showing you Jim Johnson and Alex Rios. The ball, Iron Hill, Kendrick, a Jake Thompson Prospect, Lewis Sanding Prospect, a gold of Josh Reddick, gold, a LJ Holes Mini Chrome Refractor, a Prospect Chrome, Cliff Lee, and a rookie of Dylan Bundy, rookie base. Flowers, alright, Prospect Evan Tachi. A prospect of that guy, gold, Jake Oswald, rookie, gold. Nelson Cruz, international card, base. A Roman Quinn, Chrome Prospect, another Chrome Prospect, Jason Aquino. A rookie, Paco Rodriguez, rookie. And a rookie of Buck Holt. Last pack from that side. CC Sabathia, Billy Butler. Okay, Christian McFarland. Prospect Todd Kirby. A gold of AJ Ramos. Prospect card. Carlos Sanchez, Prospect Chrome. Shane Boyles, Prospect Chrome. Rookie Ryan Wheeler. Rookie of Ali Solis. Alrighty, so that means the autograph has to be on this side. Toy Hunter, Trevor Bauer. Prospect, Anderson Felice. Ryan Wheeler, gold. Madison Bumgarner. What is that? Continental or Jonathan Griffin Chrome prospect. Stephen Ramo Chrome prospect. There it is. Ooh, back to back. Yeah, I was waiting for this. Yu Darvish base and my boy Ian Kinsler base. Ian Desmond. David Murphy for the PC. Prospect Braxton. Prospect Aramis Altuve, or can you say his last name? Gold rookie. Mini prospect. Mini prospect Chrome Refractor. Pedro Reese Chrome prospect. Manny Machado base for the PC. Henry Rodriguez rookie. And a Trevor Cloud base. Austin Jackson flip. Flip back. Prospect Jimmy Moore. Prospect Michael Slater. Gold. Cracked ice. Refractor prospect. Chrome prospect. I don't know why I said refractor. Chrome prospects. Dan Ugla and JPD. Still no auto yet. Still looking for the auto. Freddie Freeman, David Freeze, flip prospect of Rodriguez. Prospect. Gold. Prospect card. Chrome prospect. Another Chrome prospect, Max White. Tulowitzki and Ethier. Carlos Guzman. Ooh, I got a red one. Oh. And Dustin Pedroia. Travis Shaw prospect. Reese prospect. Paco Rodriguez gold rookie. A red cracked ice rookie of Rob Brantley, numbered 11/25. It's a nice card there. I was hoping it was autographed. 11/25. Nice card there. And Chrome prospect Dixon. Chrome prospect. And we got Hart and Wilson, CJ Wilson. Still no auto. Mauer, Rivera, prospect. Rookie gold, Brock Holt. Got a redemption. Didn't even see that. Bowman Chrome Auto prospect refractor of Christian Betancourt. Christian Betancourt. Chrome prospect Reese. We got a Kobe Rasmus, Rivera, and Laurie. Well, I got my autograph, but it was a damn redemption. Adrian Gonzalez, Matt Moore, Matt Wilson, prospect. Prospect is Mel. Gold, Bob Brentley. One I just got the cracked red ice rookie, as a matter of fact. A blue, Chris Medlin. Number, this one should be numbered to 500. What is that? 365 out of 500. 365 out of 500. Prospect Tyler. Chrome prospect. Chrome prospect. Garcia and Hausmer. Roy Halladay, Ryan Zimmerman, three of these, and a Yadier Molina prospect, Brandon Maurer prospect, Tanner Rahim or whatever, gold, Brandon Morrow gold, a chrome refractor of
You've got mail.
Thompson. Number 397 out of 500. Chrome prospect Jose Casano. And a Pagan and a Davis. Ike Davis. 4 packs left, ladies and gentlemen. Carlos Santana, Brandon Phillips, prospect, gold, Tim Hudson. Prospect, Chrome, Diaz, another prospect Chrome, Phillips, Matt Latos, and Mustaka. Hayward, Wright, Sale, prospect, gold, BJ Upton, mini chrome refractor, Hunter Morris, Jeman Toy, chrome prospect, and Pince and Dickey. Down to my last 2 packs, ladies and gentlemen, last 2 packs, and we got a Brandon Beachy, a Albert Pujols, prospect Steven Prospect William Astudillo. Don't know what that is, but it's pretty good. John Lester. I got a, I guess this is a Superfractor, X-Fractor, Gold, or whatever. Mini of Sheen Moline. I think this is a 101. And it is Juan of Juan. I guess it's a Superfractor. Chrome prospect of Edwin Gonzalez and Garcia rookie. And a Garcia rookie. Stanton, Montero, William Oliver prospect, Matt Sittis prospect, Gold of prospect card, prospect chrome, Ronald Guzman prospect chrome, rookie Dwayne Ruff rookie, and a rookie of Honjin, not even gonna say his name, rookie. And that was the last pack, ladies and gentlemen. Woo, not a bad box, not a bad box. Got an autograph of, that is a nice Superfractor, 1 of 1. Alrighty, YouTube, I bought, like I said, I bought this box at my local hobby shop at Sports Cards Plus. Real nice owner by the name of Charlie down there. And alrighty, YouTube, the Hitman out. Come back to you with another, I think, a mail day or box break when I get any more. Hitman out.